Lemon grafting tips. I teach you how to propagate seedlings from branches. Fast rooting and high survival rate. First, find a thick branch. Use a razor blade to remove a layer of bark. We make smooth and even cuts. This makes it easier to take root. Then find an eggplant, cut the middle. Put on the cut of the branch. Secure it firmly with zip ties. You can add a few more layers. Tie securely and cut off excess. Prepare some loose and breathable, high-quality nutrient soil to prepare for propagating from branches. Find a plastic cup. Cut from the middle. No need to cut it all. Then place the plastic bottle on the cut of the branch. Pay attention to sealing. After pouring water to prevent water from evaporating. Increase chances of survival. Put it in a warm and sunny place. When filling the cup with nutrient soil, make sure the soil is compacted tightly. Prevent gas. This will make rooting easier and faster. 40 days later, the root system inside the cup has grown very obviously. At this point, you can take out the cup and cut the branch. You can see that the eggplant inside is completely gone, but the root system is very developed. At this time, you can transplant it into a flower pot. The method is simple and practical, suitable for most plants.